So for the making of the rotis, we are going to take 2 cups of whole wheat flour, add some herbs and salt, and then add water to knead a soft dough. The dough is going to be same as that of a roti, so knead accordingly. जैसे ही आपका डो ऑलमोस्ट रेडी हो चुका होगा, then add 1 teaspoon of ghee to make the dough softer. You can also add oil instead of ghee, so it's your personal choice. And knead once again. After kneading the dough, cover this with a damp cloth and let it rest for about an hour or so. तब तक हम इसकी चिकपीस की फिलिंग बना लेंगे. For that, in a pan, add 1 teaspoon of butter and then add garlic, green chilies and 1 onion finely chopped. After the onion has become translucent and little brown, add a bowl of veggies and 1 tomatoes finely chopped and some salt as well, so that tomatoes get mushier easily and quicker. Cook the veggies for around 8 to 10 minutes and then we will add some spices, basic spices, haldi, red chili powder, coriander powder, jeera powder 1 teaspoon of each, and then garam masala half teaspoon, and then add the boiled chickpeas. ये जो छोले होते हैं उसको मैंने बॉईल करने के टाइम में आई हैव ऑल्सो एडेड सॉल्ट, तो इसीलिए आप सॉल्ट अकॉर्डिंगली ऐड करें. नाउ मिक्स ऑल द वेजीज एंड द चिकपीस. छोले डालने के बाद ऐड सम वाटर सो दैट द मिक्सचर डजंट गेट ड्राई इजीली, बिकॉज ये अभी भी कुक हो रहे हैं. And then we will mash it a little. You can also keep it coarse or very fine like a paste or sort of, but I would suggest that keep it coarse so that you get a texture. मैश करने के बाद इसे सिर्फ 2 से 3 मिनट के लिए और कुक करना है. And then we will add lots of chopped coriander leaves and some lemon juice as well, and just mix it. And our chickpea filling for the wrap is absolutely ready. अब इसे हम साइड में रख देंगे. And now let's move to the making of a spread. It's sort of a chutney to add in the wrap. So let's begin with that. For the chutney, add coriander leaf, 10 to 12 mint leaves और 3 बड़े चम्मच भरकर दही, 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, some jeera powder, black salt, lemon juice and 2 green chilies and 2 eyes, and then blend it into a fine chutney. So that now every component of the wrap is ready. Let's start making the wraps and then we will do the assembly. So एक बार knead कर लेना है फिर से डो को. Take a medium sized ball because we are going to fill so much of stuffing in that. So रोटी थोड़ी सी बड़ी होनी चाहिए. So take the dough accordingly. Roll the dough into a big sized roti. रोटी को थोड़ी सी बड़ी रखनी है than the usual roti that we make. So roll it out. एंड बस रोटी बेलने के बाद इसे नॉर्मली कुक कर लेना है एज यू वुड डू फॉर अ रोटी. सो नाउ कुक द रोटी. सो दैट नाउ द रैप इज़ ऑल्सो रेडी, यानी कि रोटी भी रेडी हो चुकी है. नाउ लेट्स असेंबल आवर चिकपी रैप. सो फॉर द असेंबली टेक अ रोटी, उसके ऊपर हम ऐड करेंगे सम कैबेज लीव्स. यू कैन ऑल्सो ऐड लेटस लीव्स. I'm making this more of a desi style, so I'm adding cabbage here. You can also shred the cabbage, like finely chop it, and then add the mint chutney that we had prepared. Add a generous amount of chickpea filling. And the best part about these wraps are these pickled onions. Pickled onions बनाने के लिए you just have to thinly slice the onions. Add 2 tablespoons of vinegar and half cup of water to it, and some beetroot pieces as well to get this pink color. And that's it. You have to refrigerate this for around an hour or so. ज़्यादा रखेंगे तो भी चलेगा. And then I'm topping this up with again some sriracha sauce to bring the heat up. And then squeeze some lime juice. And now we are going to roll it like a burrito. Tuck all the stuffings inside while rolling it so that the stuffings doesn't come out after you roll it. And now cut your wrap into 2 pieces and enjoy. Like this video if you really enjoyed watching it. After a long time we have done such a healthy recipe on this channel. So if you all have any suggestions, please put down in the comments. Share this with your friends and family. I will see you in the next video. Till then, happy cooking.